Now let us try another example. Okay, this time monomial to trinomial na po tayo. Okay, so this is the given monomial and this is the given trinomial. Step 1, we need to apply distributive property. Ilang beses po natin, anak, i-distribute yung monomial? 3 beses. First, distribute negative 3x by 4x. Okay, para hindi tayo malito, anak, ang una nating gawin ay simplify natin yung sign. Okay, sa multiplication of integers, review tayo. Positive times positive. Positive, very good. Negative times negative. Positive pa rin. Meaning, ano ang rule sa multiplication? Pag same sign, always positive. Parehas positive, positive. Parehas negative, positive pa rin siya. Do you understand? Okay, how about positive times negative? And negative times positive? Okay, kapag unlike sign, always negative. Proceed tayo dito. What is the sign of 3? Negative. Anong sign ni 4? Positive. Negative times positive? Negative. Then after that, get the product of the numerical coefficient. 3 times 4. Meron na tayong negative 12. Then, simplify the literal coefficient. Same variable? If yes, copy the variable. Then, what we're going to do with the exponent? Add. Ano exponent dito? Imaginary. At ganun din po ito. 1 plus 1. Meron na tayong negative 12x squared. Do you understand? After that, proceed to the second term. Okay. Negative times negative? Positive. 2 times 3. 6. Okay, next, same variable ba ito, anak? If no, what we're going to do? Just copy. So, just print down. So, therefore, this is the answer. Okay, after that, proceed to the last term. Okay, negative times positive. Negative. Then, 3 times 8. 24. Then, what is the variable? Wala. Dito, anong gagawin natin kay x? Just copy. So, therefore, this is the answer. Question? Do you understand?